Good morning, students. Today we will learn about ascending and descending order. So, let's start with ascending order. When we arrange numbers from the smallest to the greatest, we call it ascending order. जब हम नंबर्स को सबसे छोटे नंबर से लेके सबसे बड़े नंबर तक अरेंज करते हैं एक ऑर्डर में, तब हम उस ऑर्डर को बोलते हैं असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. नाउ लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. सबसे छोटा फ्लावर, फिर उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा और लास्ट में सबसे बड़ा. हमने इन फ्लावर्स को एक ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया एंड दिस ऑर्डर इज कॉल्ड असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. So open your book at page number 35. Today we will write the given numbers in ascending order. So let's start. Yes, students. When we compare two-digit numbers, we first compare the digits at tens place. So underline the digits at tens place. Okay. In 24 it is 2, in 43 it is 4, in 29 it is 2, in 15 it is 1, and in 34 it is 3. So which is the smallest number here? 2, 4, 2, 1, 3. Yes, correct. 1 is the smallest number here. So tick on 15. 15 will come first because 15 is the smallest number here. Ascending order क्या है? From the smallest to the greatest. Okay. Now which number will come next? 24, 43, 29 and 34 left. 43, 34. Here we have 2, 4, 2, 3. 4 and 3 are bigger than 2. Now we have 24 and 29. Here we have 2 and here we have 2 at tens place. If the digits at tens place are same in both the numbers, then compare the digits at ones place. 4 and 9. 4 is smaller than 9? Yes. So it means 24 is the smallest number. So write 24 here. Now students, you tell me, after 24, from these numbers, which number will come next? 24 we have done. Now which number will come next? Yes, 29, because in 29 we have 2 at tens place. So 2 is smaller than 3 and 2 is smaller than 4. Now 43 and 34 left. Which is smaller, 43 and 34? Yes, 4 is smaller than 3? No, 3 is smaller than 4. So it means 34 will come next. Now last number 43. Now students, we have arranged these numbers in their ascending order. 15, 24, 29, 34, 43. ओके, सबसे छोटा, फिर उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा और लास्ट में सबसे बड़ा. नाउ नेक्स्ट we have 31, 16, 45, 27 and 50 here. In 31 it is 3 tens place. In 16 it is 1. In 45 it is 4. In 27 it is 2. In 50 it is 5. So which is the smallest number here? काउंटिंग में सबसे पहले 3 आता है, 1 आता है, 4 आता है, 2 आता है या 5 आता है? Yes, you are right. काउंटिंग में सबसे पहले 1 आता है. So it means 16 is the smallest number here. So write 16 here. Now we have 31, 45, 27 and 50 left. Which number will come next? Yes, 27. Now students, tell me which number will come next? 31, 45 or 50? 3 is smaller than 4? Yes. 3 is smaller than 5? Yes. So it means 31 will come next. Now we have 45 and 50 left. Which is smaller? 45 is smaller than 50? Yes, because 45 जो है वो 50 से पहले आता है काउंटिंग में. Now you will write 45 here. Now last number left, 50. 50 is the biggest number. Okay. Now students, we have arranged these numbers in their ascending orders. 16, 27, 31, 45 and 50. Let's start with descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Descending order क्या होता है students? When we arrange numbers from the greatest to the smallest, we say they are in descending order. जब हम नंबर्स को अरेंज करते हैं सबसे बड़े नंबर से लेके सबसे छोटे नंबर तक, देन हम उस ऑर्डर को बोलते हैं डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. नाउ लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट मीन्स सबसे बड़े से लेके सबसे छोटे तक. सबसे बड़ा नंबर 4, देन उससे छोटा 3, देन उससे छोटा 2 एंड 1 is smaller than 2. So which is the greatest number here? 4. And which is the smallest number here? 1. So it is called descending order. Now look at these balls. These balls are in their descending order. सबसे बड़ा बॉल सबसे फर्स्ट नंबर पे, देन उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा और लास्ट में सबसे छोटा. Now let's start with page number 35. Today we will write the given numbers in descending order. Let's start. Now students, you tell me what we have to do first. We have to underline the digits which are in tens place. In 30 it is 3, in 18 it is 1, in 48 it is 4, in 32 it is 3, in 25 it is 2. Now you tell me which is the greatest number here. I want greatest number. Tell me. Yes, very good. 48 is the greatest number here. 48 जो है वो सबसे बड़ा नंबर है. So write 48. Descending order means from the greatest to the smallest. यानी कि सबसे बड़े से हमने स्टार्ट करना है और सबसे छोटे पे फिनिश करना. Okay. Now we have 4 numbers left, 30, 18, 32 and 25. Okay, which is the greatest number here? Tell me. Here 3 and again 3. Okay students, if the digits at tens place are same in both the numbers, then compare the digits at ones place. In 30 it is 0, in 32 it is 2. Which is smaller? 0 is smaller than 2. 0 जो है वो 2 से छोटा है. So it means 30 is the smaller number and 32 is the greatest number. From these numbers 30, 18, 32 and 25, 32 is the greatest number. Now tick on it and write 32 after 48. 32. Now we have 3 numbers left now, 30, 18 and 25. Okay, look at these numbers very carefully and tell me which is the greatest number here. Correct. 30 is the greatest number. Write 30 after 32. Now we have only 2 numbers left, 18 and 25. Which is greater? 18 is greater than 25? No. 18 is smaller than 25. So it means 25 is greater than 18. 25 जो है वो 18 से बड़ा है. So हम पहले 25 लिखेंगे. We will write 25 after 30. Last number, smallest number left, 18. 18 is the smallest number. Right, 18. Now next, 20, 49, 38, 25 and 30. Underline the digits at tens place. Very good. In 49 it is 4. In 38 it is 3. In 25 it is 2. In 30 it is 3. Okay, which is the greatest number? Tell me fast. I want greatest number first. Very good. 49 is the greatest number. So write 49. Okay, hurry up. Tell me which number will come after 49. Very good, very good. 38. 38 will come after 49. Now only 3 numbers left. 20, 25 and 30. Which is the greatest number here? 30. Write 30 after 38. Now only 2 numbers left, 20 and 25. Okay, now compare the digits which are in ones place. In 20 it is 0. In 25 it is 5. Which is smaller? 0 is smaller than 5. So it means 20 is smaller than 25 and 25 is greater than 20. Now tick on 25. I want greater number first. Now write 25. Okay. Which number is left? 20. 20 is the smallest number. We write 20 after 25. Now we have done. Students, we have arranged these numbers in their descending orders. Do it neatly. Okay, take care. Bye bye.